I failed a lot, but I didn't quit. Check this out. These are my commissions from a private affiliate network. As you can see on the screen, $123, $123. I'm going to scroll down, $148, 48, $24, $4.50. I remember when I graduated from the MBA, and I thought, did I miss something? Why I'm not making more money if I have a master in business? And I started to thinking, what is going on? Because I put this money here and I'm not getting the return. So I felt so bad, and you know what I did? I started to looking for side hustles. And basically I just wanted to do something from my home, because at that time I had a corporate job. I was selling chemical solutions to industries, the paper industry, the sugar industry, mine, oil and gas industry. And some interesting thing is that I like to learn new things. That's probably why I stayed too long in that job, like 12 years, because I was learning all kinds of process, sugar process, paper process. And the problem was that I needed to make more money, but I didn't know how to start. And I tried many different things, and I failed. I have failure after failure after failure. And I found affiliate marketing, which is basically you promote other people's products, and when you make a sale, you get a commission. And I started to watching YouTube videos, buying courses, but at that time I have a mindset that it doesn't matter if this will take me years to succeed. I'm not going to quit. And here's the thing about online businesses, that you need to do certain things every single day if you want to succeed. And you know how much time it took me to get my first affiliate marketing commission? It took me 1 year of work. Now, the cool thing about affiliate marketing is that you can promote almost anything. And I started to upload 1 video per day on my YouTube channel to promote digital products, and I put my affiliate links in the description. Now, let me show you a cool strategy I'm using for affiliate marketing. This is an opt-in page. It has a title, this button here, a picture, and text. So basically, I'm telling people with this page that if they want the 7 proven steps, which is basically this ebook, they need to click here. And when they clicked the button, this box is going to appear so they can put their name and their email address. Once I have that information, I'm going to send to them the ebook through email. The name of this software is Clickfunnels. I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description so you can have access to a 14-day free trial. Then I have the automation part set up. As you can see on the screen, I have many automation workflows. I'm going to click the first one, and this software is going to send these emails automatically. Then it's going to wait for 1 day, and it's going to send the free lesson 2 and all of these emails. The name of this software is Getresponse, and I'm going to put also my affiliate link in the description so you can have access to the free account. If you go to the Getresponse website, you can start a free account with email marketing, website builder, you can connect your domain, list for up to 500 contacts. You can build landing pages and build sign up and contact forms. One of the most important things you need to do every day for your affiliate marketing business is to build your own email list, because that is going to help you build your own brand and your own audience. Affiliate marketing, guys, is like planting seeds. You need to put in the work every day, and if you don't quit, you can't succeed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.